Hello, in this video I show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on ASRock motherboard. Like in this case, when I was installing Windows 11, I received a notification that my computer has unsupported hardware. The reason is because I have not enabled TPM 2.0 in BIOS. So I restarted the computer and accessed ASRock BIOS. Immediately after starting the computer, continuously press the delete key to access the BIOS. After successfully accessing the BIOS, go to Advanced. Click on CPU Configuration. Click on AMD fTPM switch. Select AMD CPU fTPM. Then you save the changes and restart the computer. This is a guide for motherboards with AMD CPUs. For motherboards with Intel CPU, please refer to the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Good luck.